Just finished class. It's my outfit. And now we're gonna go to Trader Joe's because I'm gonna make creamy pesto pasta. I missed it. So my business cards came, and well, my new business cards I rebranded. So I wonder how they'll look. Yes, I'm so happy. They look so good. Look. So yeah, pretty happy with how they came out. I want to show you guys my business cards throughout basically the whole time I've ever had an Etsy, and then now I have my own site. So I used to be Cup of Jade. I still ordered from Moon for my first card, but it had gold foil instead. But then I changed it to this. Still has gold foil. I loved the petals. Honestly, I really was so proud of this design. It was so cute. And then I didn't want to have my name and things, so I decided to be a Hero Mart. This was the first business card for that brand. And then I also made it into like a thank you card at the same time. And then I changed it to this, but then this didn't really ever launch, except I used it in my rebrand sale because I decided to rebrand. Idea for holding my business cards, because I want to start tabling soon. Well, November hopefully. Isn't that cute? Do you think people would want to grab it? So if you want to compare them side to side, well, next to each other, before, after. I honestly really like the after. I really like the little heart that I put in the chip. It's cute. Also, I don't know if I like this better or that. Oh well. So I just super glued this pumpkin that I put on top for this keycap, because I have been slacking on making keycaps, but I want to get into it again, and I'm doing them for Halloween drop, and I think this is pretty cute. I'm gonna wait for this to cure a little more before I try to put it on my keyboard. And then after that, if everything seems good, I'm probably gonna make some more and then make a And then I'm gonna hold a raffle sale. And then, isn't it so cute? Like my little witch that goes to a little kitten. So cute. Oh my god, she's kind of dusty. This is what I get for not being home all the time, because I keep going back to my parents' house because I need to do like stuff East Bay. And then I usually use this little tiny ceramic thing to sand the butts, the little butts. This one is not going to be one that I'm going to put out because there are so many air bubbles. So I'm going to keep this one for myself. And then I also unmolded this. I don't really like it. I didn't sand it yet, but I don't really like it. I think the purple is a little too dark, also kind of squishy. I literally used a precision like weight thing, but I guess, I don't know, maybe it's my resin. Maybe I need to buy new resin. that little one is literally trying to fall out. What the heck? And then I already got these ready. Got the cards. And then I had to exit out, or not exit, I had to like cross out stuff on the care guide since I use Mod Podge to cover up the pumpkins. They're not able to be touched with water. So then that means you can't clean them, unfortunately. But it's still really cute. I really like it. Like, cute. My keycaps in these boxes, but I totally forgot that I bought these for my Halloween raffle. Like, wouldn't this be so cute? This inside a skull for Halloween. Isn't that so cute? I think it's cute. And then usually I put like crinkled paper inside to keep it like from wobbling around, I guess. Yeah. just tried taking some product photos of these. Hopefully they'll do well. I'm not exactly sure how well they do. I also don't know who's going to be the most popular. I have a feeling that Hebe, my strawberry cow, is going to do most well, and then probably Puff, the cat, and then this is Bebo, and this one is Mocha. Look who came to nap. Look who came to nap. So cute. So I've been working on my website, not much there, and then I drew this up for Halloween for the website. Probably gonna put it up maybe like 2 weeks before Halloween. So yeah. So I realized I messed up with the freaking QR code. I got a QR code from a place that makes you do $35 a month. So now I had to print out a new QR code and put it on here. So luckily I can make stickers and just put it on, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I had originally designed these for packaging. I ended up not really liking it, so then I had to redesign it. So this is just a waist. This is what I'm designing, and then the hearts you can write your like customer's name, and then this is also packaging that I designed. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna use the washi tape thingy here. I just don't want to waste it, but I guess we're gonna have to waste it. Then I had to change this because I don't know what app to add on Shopify for reviews, because there's like one that's free but it has really bad reviews. So I drew these out and like I edited them to have more redness because I feel like this is too blue for my liking, but there were a lot of like misaligned cuts, so I have to redo it. I also wanted to round the corners like I did for these cards, but I think it's cute. I'm really happy with the sticker sheet. Only 2 came out, like not super misaligned, but I don't know what to do with them because I don't really like how blue it is, so we'll see. guys tell the difference in the colors? I like this color better, so I'm glad that I put up the red in it. Also, I don't know why, but I keep getting like misaligned cuts. But the other three look okay. I wish they were perfect, but I mean, they're homemade stickers, so what can you do? But these two are misaligned. So my package from Moo came early and my prints are here. I'm so excited. I'm taking them out right now. They came early. They were supposed to come like during the week, but no, they came early. Yay! Oh, peel and reseal. That's cool. They came out so cute. And then this is the back. Cute. I like it. Oh, and they're like matte finish. Front and back. Ah! No. Nikki, no. No. Out. She's gonna run out the window. No, it's gonna run out the window.
Fuck. How dare you stop me, please. How dare you stop me, human?
No, she's a stinky.
Water.
Hold up, I'm opening my packages. My prints.
Cap? I can definitely do this for 8 hours. No cap.
Well, I don't do well enough.
I do like my new job though, but it's definitely a challenge, like for real. like it's way like it's not.
So I finished. Well, I don't know if I filmed when I finished this, but I have learned that putting this on in like one whole sheet is really hard to get like really minimal bubbles. So this was the original design where it was like all cut out in one sheet, and then I just stayed in one sheet. But it was really hard to get it to where it like didn't have many air bubbles. So I tried to do it the individual, like I cut out each one and like cut them out like this and like apply them. And so I did it, and then I changed the design. I kind of really like it. This is really cute. And then the next one I'm like really proud of. It's honestly different from what I like drew up, but this is so cute. I'm so happy. Well, and then I think I'm gonna have to charge this one to be more expensive because it just takes a lot more time, because there's, I mean, I guess it would take the same amount of time, but it does take a little more time because you have to cut out like each different vinyl and stuff like that. But we'll see. I'm really happy with it. Like really happy, pretty proud. So I drew this one. Originally it was this, but then I thought that these colors would cater more towards like guys, and then this one is like girlier, pastel, pink car, cat, and Sakura. So I just made an order for like 10 of both of them. It was kind of expensive. Let's hope it comes out well. Don't know how long it's gonna take to get here, but yeah. And then I also designed washi tape. Oh, I just wanted to show the font. See, so I designed it, and then this is just to give you a gist of how it would look if it was longer. I'm really happy about this. So hopefully everything comes in time for tabling, but I highly doubt it because I'm assuming it might come in November. I don't know. Maybe it might make it in time. I ended up not being able to use this glass because I found a scratch on it. So I made it into this, and I honestly really think this is cute, but I don't know if I would sell it. I don't know, maybe if people like it. But I think that's the end to this video because I feel like I've put a lot of content into this video. We can see how it goes, and hopefully I can make another studio vlog.